My name's Alden Morris, and today we're going to be unboxing the KCI USA 50 round drum magazine for the AR M4 M16. Alright, so this is my Diamondback 10.5 inch barrel AR pistol, and this is the KCI USA AR-15 50 round drum magazine for AR-15, M4, and M16. On the back here, it's got your basic instructions, so we'll just go ahead and read down that list real quick. It says the KX series 50 round AR magazines are designed to deliver maximum capacity and reliable performance in the world's most popular rifle at a price you can afford. Complete 50 round drum magazine, padded Kadura nylon magazine pouch with locking belt clips, dust cover, graphite lubricant, and instruction manual are all included in the box. Then the features: loads quick and easy with ambidextrous front ratchet tab, feed rate of up to 1,500 rounds per minute, compatible with AR pattern firearms. Highly reliable patented coil design, feeds 223 Remington and 5.56 by 45 NATO. Advanced polymer construction, no tools necessary to operate, 8.75 inch high and 4.5 inches wide. Empty weight is 23 ounces and loaded weight is going to be 43 ounces. So we'll go ahead and start the unboxing here. That way you guys have an idea of what comes in there. So obviously it goes from the top here. So you get yourself a nice little pouch, and the box is now empty. We'll set that off to the side. And the pouch, it looks like, comes with old school Alice clips. Yeah, those are Alice clips. So the first thing I'm going to say about the pouch is it's a well constructed pouch. However, it's not going to be convenient for any type of field operations. You will not be mounting this to any type of load bearing system that's got any type of MOLLE compatible gear on it. For example, MOLLE compatible gear is going to be 1 inch by 1 inch, Berry compliant seat, all that good stuff, mil spec thread and Velcro. This doesn't look like it meets any of those requirements. I don't know if this is going to be Berry. I don't think it's Berry compliant because usually they have it listed as Berry compliant, but you won't be attaching those Alice clips to nothing. It looks like the pouch itself on the outside comes with your graphite lube. So there you go, you get that little tube of graphite lube, and then this pouch here appears to be empty, but looks like obviously there's some accessories you can purchase from the website that'll come with your 50 round drum magazine. But finally, opening it, there she is. Pouch is got a little drain hole, so I guess if any condensation or moisture gets built up in this pouch, I mean, I guess you could put this on the back of a backpack, but then your access to it is going to be limited if you're in a field doing a training scenario or whatnot. Yeah, like I said, it's not a compatible case for MOLLE style gear. Now moving on to the drum itself. So the drum comes with a dust cover. Almost dropped it there. A little dust cover, plastic. It's real flimsy. Obviously, it doesn't hold itself. I mean, it's just a little plastic piece of crap, but yeah, just your basic dust cover. So, and inside it looks like you got the follower rounds. She turns just fine, and then it's a clear backing, so you can kind of guesstimate your round count you got there going. It feels durable. I mean, it's made from a real constructed, well constructed plastic. But yeah, so this is your KCI USA 50 round drum magazine for 5.56, 45 NATO, or 223 Remington. And it's got the features of a regular standard magazine right through here, and then it just turns into a drum. And it looks like the real only difference between this one and most other ones is that there's no flip. You're not opening it, you're literally just gonna be loading it from the top, all 50 rounds. And you got that turn, that patented spring turn, and get that chain fed link in there that helps keep everything consistent and pressed up against each other, so that way you get no feeding issues when you're cycling rounds. And as for this bad boy, let's see how she looks in there. Clean fit, doesn't come out, and that's what she looks like. I'll move all this stuff out of the way here. My notes. But that's what she looks like with the 50 round drum. So not too shabby. I mean, the weight distribution is not bad either. Drops right out when you hit the mag release there. So we'll do that again. Fits nice and in. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. The clear I don't like, but I mean, given the clear is understandable for if you want to have your round count, whatnot. But yeah, not bad. So the next video, this is just an unboxing video. So the next video is going to be us out on the range, giving it a stress test. Those kind of good, cool videos. So do stay tuned for that. Like I said, this is just simply an unboxing video. So just to show you what to expect when you order your KCI USA 50 round drum magazine for the AR-15. So pretty cool little setup. Stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be the 100 round drum unboxing.